If you ever need to take the chain off, you need to remove it from the sprocket, otherwise you have some really bad problems. Before untangling something like this, definitely want to turn the power off. The last thing is if the power turns on, touches your hand, if you just take your hand and crush it. Crazy. Okay, now that the power's turned out, about the best way to untangle something like this is to just rotate the belt backwards from the way that it got untangled. That way you don't have to wedge it out or anything, just nice and easy. And then feel for it and test for it to see if you can get it little by little. Again, power needs to be off, otherwise you can really hurt yourself. So turn the power off first, and there we go. Now I've untangled it. Much better than hitting it or wedging it or anything weird like that. And key is, if you take the chain off the track, or you need to take the gate off, undo the chain and then unwrap it from the front. We'll turn off the power first, and if you had a power outage, undo it that way. And then make sure you take the chain off the sprocket. Otherwise, the next time that it turns on, it might really mess you up. So, that's the story. What you want to do. Alright. Now really what I want to do is turn the gate back on and then stop it and position it accordingly, whether it's all the way closed or all the way open. All the way open would be better. So what I've done now is turn the power back on. The power is not restored to the gate deal, probably because this has a reset button right here that would have tripped. So I'm going to turn that. There we go. Okay. And now you can see it's closing all the way. And now it's opening back up. What I want to do is take the power and turn the gate so that it is on. That will keep it open. Right now this is all the way closed. What I want is to bring it all the way open. So I turn the gate on to manual, and that's going to bring it so that it's all the way open. And now when I position the chain on the track so that it's all the way open, it'll be in the right position. Oh. There we go. Now I've carefully positioned the chain so that it's all flat all the way, and the gate is brought back to its furthest point. So now I'll put the chain on, and then I'll adjust it for the sprocket so it has tension towards the front, and we should be good. This has two different holes for different settings, but you can pretty much see where the ring is ground on this front one. So I'm just going to position it so it's nice and straight up and down. Okay, now that that's positioned, we're going to bring the gate chain up through the center and the sprocket up and over. Bring in the last bit of tension that's there, up and over, starting it at the front. I need both hands to loop it up and over. It'll pull off the tension that's in the chain down there and loop it up and over. Easy. part's gonna be tricky. I may have to undo one leg and use the back of it to tighten it. So what I can do is take this back off here, or I can just undo it back. Okay, just took the back one off, did the front one as tight as I could, and then now we'll just put the back back. Too hard. There we go. And then just hold this one with one wrench, tighten that one out. Good idea to wear gloves when messing with the chain. Now I'm ready to turn it on. If it goes too far, I'll just click it and that will stop it. So if it looks like it's going to hit the gate, so here goes. Turn it on. There we go. Chain is tightened up. Again, if I need to, I can just click this and that would stop it. Okay. I closed it. There's it opening all the way. And the same thing if it goes too far back. So that's perfect. Now here it goes closing. Perfect. Alright. Now just make sure it opens all the way. That's what it's supposed to do. And you can see if we had to adjust the worm drive gears, the back plate locks it in. Perfect. Alright. And then you can turn it and adjust them, the position. I think I showed that in other videos, but that's how to put the chain back on. And yeah, if you ever had to take the gate off the chain because somebody drove through the gate or something like that, you just want to make sure to remove the chain also from the sprocket. You turn your power out first, do what you got to do, and you're ready for business. Now I'm back to normal with my gate. Yeah, definitely glad I wore gloves. Makes cleanup a lot easier.